나이티어 하는데 그분들이시네요.
I thought he was saying I love you. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, here we go. Dang, 못하네. I like. It's been forever 91. I like these. '91. It's been forever, you know. I like the song.
É tudo preto e branco, assim, eles estão, tipo, numa desilusão amorosa.
Esse é aquele outro rapper. Ele dá um
Nossa, tá...
Oh, классно.
Rapping in this language, like, it's so cool, it sounds so cool. Oh, they dance as well, and they're good. They're very attractive, like, all of them is definitely attractive in their own.
Я, в принципе, довольна тем качеством, которые я вижу в их клипах, и этот клип не исключение. А песня, она цепляет, припевчик такой.
Oh my god. Jesus Christ, boy, you slay. If he pulls me against the wall like that, I will die. Shake the world with Q-pop or shake the world with 91. Как я скучала по их голосам! Подождите! Мне слишком сильно нравится! Мне нравится музыка! Подождите! Мне очень нравится музыка!
That's a nice twist.
I like the black and white.
Yeah. It always gives a nice little touch.
That was good. I liked it. I liked Ayıптama too.
I like the song actually a lot. I wish I understood what they were saying. The song is like really good, even if I don't understand it. I actually really liked that song. It was actually really good.
Rap part. I really like his rapping.
He sounds really good when he raps. Ooh! My heart really hurts for that one.
Right? My
Wow.
heart. That was like packed full of feels.
Yeah.
전체적으로 멜로디가 좋아. 잘했네. 잘했어. 그 가요를 좀 잘하는 저로서는 가요.
Sounds cool. Oh, this one sounds good. Look at the sound of because that was a really nice, calm tune. Like, I wouldn't mind listening to that one over and over again.
이 노래 들어보니까 굉장히 또 다른 곡들도 되게 기대가 돼요.
잘생긴 것 같아요. 이런 분들이 한국 와도 좀 잘생긴 편에 속하는 얼굴이거든요.
This is stuff I never thought in my life that Kazakhstani people come up with caliber music like this. I don't know what
they do.
I mean, I'm impressed. This is a 9 out of 10 for me.
9! Wow,
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Good.